What's up? Totally back. Okay, so today I'm getting super creative and super out there for makeup artists all over the world. And drum roll please, today's going to be Ursula. I know what you're thinking. It's very unoriginal. I get it. I'm gonna go ahead and it's not gonna be a full tutorial, but it's going to be partial tutorial, which, what does that mean exactly? That means I'm going to be Bailee talking, meaning I'm not the best at describing things, I'm not the best at explaining things, so let's just go ahead and get into the video. Ursula has these little, I don't know what they are, but girl, we're getting rid of these brows today. What you're gonna need for brow removal is not a eraser, it is glue stick, you need concealer, something orange, could be lipstick, eyeshadow, paint, whatever you have, we're doing. And then you also need translucent powder, or just setting powder, or just powder, whatever floats that powder boat of yours. I'm gonna fast forward this part of the video so you kind of get a general idea of how to get rid of those brows without shaving them. Don't shave your eyebrows, period. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so now that my eyebrows are semi-gone, now we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna begin painting the face and the body. I'm only going up to the shoulders because as you can kind of see behind me, I have the outfit out there already. It's the black dress, but I'm only going up to the shoulders because, honey, I have stained my skin more than the average person should have. So I'm just gonna do the shoulders. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna fast forward that video and then we'll do the eyes. Skin kind of looks like this blotchy purple. That's what I wanted. That's why I switched over to a brush midway through. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do some deep contouring. I'm actually going to use like a deep purple that I have in one of my makeup palettes. So let's go ahead and do that, and then I'll come back. Okay, so now that we did the contouring, loving this contour. Ursula's eyes are dramatic, and when I mean dramatic, they are blue as can be. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a few different blues. I have this palette, I have this palette, and I also have this palette that I'm gonna be using in all three of these. So whatever blue you can find, just kind of use it. It's a light blue, kind of mixed with like a dark blue gray. We'll see the final outcome, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so now that I did the eyeshadow, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna whip up those eyebrows, which, bear with me, they are gonna be some bougie brows. And then I'm gonna do the eyeliner and eyelashes. I'm gonna show you the lashes I'll be using, because I love them so much because I made them. So these are just normal eyelashes that I've had, gross, oh my god, that I've had. But I went ahead and put some crystals on them, and then once I do that, I will be back. Okay, so now that the eyelashes are on, the mascara's on, the brows are looking, we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna slap on the accents, such as her mole and some bottom looking lashes, and then the lips. The lips are super important. So let's fast forward that and then see what we get. So here is the product of what I have made, and I am feeling it. I'm loving this to the max. So I'm gonna go ahead, put on the wig, put on the outfit and some accessories, and then I'll be right back. All right, this is it. Gotta tell ya, I am not disappointed. I'm not disappointed at all by this. I love this on me. I should have painted my ears, but you know what? If this was a simple, fast, easy costume, I'm for it. So much fun. This is the Glam Ursula, and she is so cute. Like, I found like these earrings I've had, they were just so weird that I was like, that's an Ursula. Like, that is Ursula. And then this super fun shell is a real shell, and I really put it on a necklace. So it's super fun, and I think it's easy for anybody to do. This is so cute. I love it. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to me. I have a lot more makeup videos coming up in the future, and thank you so much. Bye!